I'm Teacher Sally. I'm a pure Filipina and my native language is Tagalog. I came from one of the most historical places in the Philippines, Cavite. I am a licensed professional teacher and have been teaching for 3 years. I teach students in primary level at a public school. I also took up an early childhood education course because of the love I have for children. I really love teaching. My passion is to teach and help students learn something which he or she finds difficult. I specialize in teaching Tagalog, and I can also teach English. I can also speak and understand some basic Japanese words and phrases. I can teach any age level of learners. I focus on beginner and intermediate learners. During my leisure time, I like to do some cardiovascular exercises, watching videos on YouTube, and trying out some dishes. As a teacher, I am very friendly, jolly, and patient with my students. I will help you enhance your communication skills in Tagalog or in English. If you want to know about my teaching strategies, book a trial lessons with me. So that's why now I'm inviting you to book in one of my classes. Hope to see you. Kumusta? Ako si Teacher Sally. Ako ay katutubong Pilipina at ang wikang ginagamit ko ay Tagalog. Ako ay isang lisensyadong professional na guro at nagtuturo na sa loob ng 3 taon sa isang pampublikong paaralan. Bilang isang guro, ako ay isang masigla at masayahing guro. Mahaba ang aking pasensya sa pagtuturo sa aking mga estudyante. Gagawin ko ang lahat upang marami kang matutunan mula sa akin. Kung gusto mong matuto ng Tagalog, maaari kitang tulungan. Kaya mag-book ka na sa klase ko. Magkita tayo!